Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. For this video, I am going to do an unboxing. Yes, a yarn unboxing. I bought it from Aliexpress and it arrived super fast, so I would highly recommend this seller, and I will pin their link. Okay, I just receive a notification that it arrived. So the package came like with a Canadian label. When I opened the package, 2 of the packages arrived. Okay, this one is yarn related. The other one is just a storage organizer I bought just to put some stuff, and I just love it, love it, love it for $5. You can't beat that price. Okay, so let's open this and see what's inside. It says Chinese. Oh, there's a Canadian label underneath. Oh, well. Okay, it's super tight. So I'm just going to open it from here. I don't want to cut any, yarn. So this is the first time I'm buying from this seller. I did went and bought from the seller which I bought before, and unfortunately that seller is acting really weird this time. I'm not happy with their service and I wanted a refund. It's because they haven't shipped it. So if it arrives, I will do an unboxing. But the other one that I purchased was way back a week before than this one. So think about it. When people ship, it arrives. So this package, I bought it in March 7th. It's not even the 30th yet, and it arrived. And you guys know how packages come from Aliexpress. I think they come in a container with a ship. So just wanted to show you how fast it came. So I'm planning to make mittens, or maybe a hat, or even maybe a scarf. And I just fell in love with the color. So let me just empty this. Oh, look at the color. Okay, no gift, nothing, but that's okay. It arrived, right? That's the main thing. Oh, look at this color. I've been seeing these yarn on Russian ladies who knit. And they say when you wash this, it becomes, there's Angora in it, but mink, they're saying. So, yeah. I don't know what these words are, but I believe there's Angora, rabbit, and mink in it. Mink hair. Because it does look like 80% Angora rabbit yarn. Yeah, so it's a short video. I just wanted to share you. So they always put a helper with a thread like this. And I've been seeing what, oh, it's elastic. See. Okay, so I bought 2. I believe this is 50 gram. Yeah, it doesn't even write the gram in it. I wish they did. Yeah, but I think this is 50-50, so I bought 100. I can make socks out of this. I can knit socks out of this. I can knit mittens out of this. With one, it's really hard to knit, but yeah. So I can even knit socks. Why not? Let me just start knitting, and then you guys can maybe a hat. I don't know, not a hat. I already knitted a hat this color, so something else maybe. Just trying to think. Yeah, I wish these were written in English, but they're written in Chinese, and yeah, it says to wash it with 20 or 20 degree, but I would wash it by hand. I never wash my handmade items, but yeah, for these maybe I should. Okay, I just love the color, and just wanted to try and see So first, Mittens, not sure, maybe Mittens. Just looking at the yarn. Let me see, I think there's acrylic in it too. Just looking at it. Yeah, I think there's acrylic as well. So let's do a sample and see. So when you're using the 2 thread, you need to use when you're using the 2 of the yarn, you need to use the 2, I guess. I've been seeing in a Russian lady who's doing tutorials, they're making hats, mittens, and it just looks fantastic. Okay, let me grab those sock yarns I bought, which I did an unboxing. Let me grab them and I'll be right back. Okay, here they are. It's 2.5 millimeter knitting needles, soft knitted flexi knitting needles. But you can knit this for sleeves, knit with these for sleeves, gloves, mittens. It's not only socks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if I start mittens, I would cast on, I would say 60. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to knit with several strands of yarn, but unfortunately I have no choice. Okay, so I'm going to let me cast on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have cast on. I'm just gonna try and see. It's pretty strong because I did pull the yarn while I was casting on, so it is pretty strong. Okay, so here I'm going to join. I should have cast on an extra stitch, but I didn't. That's okay. Just cast on so I can join, right? Then I'm just going to tie this. I'm going to do the tutorial, so stay tuned for the tutorial. I just need to knit the one and then come back to show you the other for the glove, for the mittens. Okay, I don't want to twist anything. Just gonna look at this and be right back. Okay, I am knitting, so let me just knit on the background and I will come back to show you, but the yarn is really strong, so it looks nice so far. It's pretty good, so I'll be right back to give you the last look of how it's knit. Okay, I've been knitting a couple of rows and I ended up doing 3-ply instead of 2-ply. And let me just knit this row. I believe there's acrylic in it besides the Angora and the mink. I don't feel any mink, more of an Angora I feel while I'm knitting, but there's a lot of acrylic in this yarn. So unfortunately, it doesn't explain how much wool, how much acrylic, but it knits up nicely even with 3-ply and the 2 strands of that thread. So I cast on a total of 52 stitches on a 4mm knitting needles. They're Addy. Okay. And yeah, I had to switch because those needles, these needles are very thin compare. Even the 2-ply was thin for the yarn. Maybe with 1-ply, but I wouldn't go with 1-ply, so I'm going to be making gloves just to show you. Well, I'm going to wear it this way, but yeah, it's going to be classic gloves, no pattern, just basic. So I can fold this like this and wear it. So stay tuned for the tutorial. I don't know when. I had to figure out with the gauge and stuff. So would I recommend this this yarn? Yeah, why not? Let me just pull up my order and I will pin the link. But other than that, it's a nice yarn. I haven't given feedback yet, a review, but I will with a picture. Okay, so this is the link. I paid, how much did I pay? I paid $9.13, shipping including, for the two balls of yarn, and number 73. So this is the link. I will pin it. And like I said, I haven't left a review yet. I will do that. So they have lots of review, 488. And here's a hat that has been knit. So I hope you like this tutorial, this review. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.